Welcome! In today's video, I'll walk you through the eligibility requirements and the step-by-step application process for the PMP exam, as outlined by the Project Management Institute. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, this guide will help you understand what it takes to sit for the PMP exam and how to navigate the PMI application portal. First, let's talk about eligibility. To apply for the PMP exam, you need to meet specific educational and professional experience criteria. There are two paths based on your education. For candidates with a 4-year degree or global equivalent, a minimum of 36 months of unique, non-overlapping project management experience leading and directing projects. At least 35 contact hours of formal project management education or holding a CAPM certification. For candidates with a secondary degree, high school diploma, associate's degree, or global equivalent, a minimum of 60 months of unique, non-overlapping project management experience. Similarly, 35 contact hours of project management education or a CAPM certification. All your documented experience must have been accrued within the last 8 years. Now that you know the eligibility criteria, here's how to apply for the PMP exam on pmi.org. 1. Create your PMI account. Go to pmi.org and sign up for a free MyPMI account. This account will be your personal dashboard throughout your PMP journey. 2. Gather your documentation. Prepare details of your educational background, including your degree and institution. Document your project management experience by listing your projects with roles, responsibilities, start and end dates, and key achievements. Ensure you have evidence of completing 35 contact hours of project management education. 3. Complete the online application. Log into your MyPMI account and navigate to the PMP certification section. Fill in your personal information, education history, project management experience, and training details. Double-check each entry for accuracy to avoid delays in the review process. 4th, application review and audit process. Once you submit your application, PMI typically reviews it within 5 business days. In some cases, your application may be randomly selected for an audit. If so, be prepared to submit additional documentation to verify your experience and education. 5. Payment and scheduling. Your exam. After your application is approved, you'll receive an email notification. Next, pay the exam fee, $405 for PMI members or $555 for non-members. Joining PMI can reduce your exam fee and give you access to additional resources. Finally, schedule your exam. You have 1 year from your application approval to take the exam, and you're allowed up to 3 attempts during this period. That's it. You now have a clear roadmap, from checking your eligibility to scheduling your exam. By following these steps and ensuring your documentation is thorough, you're well on your way to earning your PMP certification and advancing your career in project management. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on project management certifications. Good luck on your PMP journey.